Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. In a previous episode, I show you how to create a profile picture with a gradient background. And in the same way, I will show you how to create any frames with a gradient background and using with a product image or any image what we would like to show with a gradient background. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, open a new page, then scrolling down, searching for the frames, the frame what I would like to use. There are many, but I'm going to use now this device using the cell phone, increasing the size a bit. And in the top, as you can see, there are many colors, and but there is only one which is transparent. I click on it and just adding a gradient background color. If you like it, you just use like this, but if you don't really like it, just scrolling up, click on the add new color. Here we can change the style and we can add the new color and then add some bit more orange. And here we can change also the order of the colors. Like this, but this one is not so nice here. It has to be some reddish. Yeah, okay, now it's much better. I think this one is even more better. Yeah, I keep it like this. I keep it like this. The center is a yellow, then orange, and then red. Yeah, I like it. And now we have to find the image what we would like to use. So I just searching for cell phone photos and try to find an image what I would like to insert to the frame. I will use this and just dropping to the frame. That's not so nice. I cannot really yeah, maybe like this. Yes, using like this. And of course I forgot one important thing. Just moving to the side, I forgot to duplicate. So I duplicated it. I'm doing the same. Sliding bit like this. Yeah, okay. And now I can remove the background. And I have the image what I would like to use. So the gradient background, as I said, with a image without background. That's pretty amazing, pretty nice trick. What how we can use the frames a bit more modernized in more unique way. And what if we would like to add our product image, like I did it here on a blob. So I just open a new page again, elements, going down to the frames again. I just searching for the blobs. Have to find one what I would like to use. Those ones are very nice with the shadow. I just adding it, increasing the size a bit. As here you can see there is only one color, so they do not have to find which one is the background, but usually it's always the gradient or the empty one. So I just have to add a color what I would like to use. But as you see before, we just have to going up if we don't like it. Click on the add new color, and here we can change the style. As I mentioned before, we can add additional colors if we like I would like to have something similar, just a bit lighter one. Yeah, like this. Yeah, this one I like it. And now, before I forget one of the most important thing, we have to duplicate. Otherwise it will not work due to we inserting the second image, and we will inserting the image in the top layer. So if I insert the image to the bottom one, this background will be disappearing. So we just have to find some item what we would like to use here. I just have some. Let's see. So I'm gonna put a guitar, searching for photos. The problem is with these blobs, lots of time image is too huge for the frame, and we cannot really see. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one is good. We can even move around a bit. And now the magic starts with the background remove. So we remove the background, and we can select both, group it, and we can play with the size and position like this. And also background color I can change back to any what I like this. So this is the way how we can use the frames, how we can add any image what we want with a gradient background. Unfortunately, time to time we have issues with the size. If the picture what we would like to insert is too huge, like what was with my first guitar, we cannot shrink it, so cannot fit in the frame. But yeah, with this one what we have to leave it with like this. But if not important, actually, like in this case I just use one image from the Canva library. I can find another image which I can replace, but I can imagine if you have a special product what you would like to use, maybe you have to find another frame where it fit properly. But now this tutorial is going to the end. I really like this technique. Hope so you also like it and like my tutorial. If you really liked my tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section when you struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please visit also my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find a lot of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.